guys, welcome back. I'm still working on the car. I am putting the interior all together, but today we're gonna put the clutch in the engine, and David Valdemar is gonna show you how to put the ClutchMax clutch kit in the engine, how does it fit, and hopefully we're gonna put the engine in the car today.
Beautiful. That should just click in. Excellent stuff. Single mass. Nice and lightweight. So this is a stage 4 ClutchMax. All right, we're back at it. We've got the ClutchMax clutch going on. We checked the flywheel before there. Everything's the right torque now, huh? Yep. We've got the mounting pin there, so we'll throw that back on. Now we've got all the bolts, we're ready to go. Alrighty, once again, beautiful ClutchMax pressure plate. What torque are we going to put on these bolts there? Bottom up?
4 newtons.
So this is the ClutchMax Stage 4. So this is suitable for a bit of street and a bit of race. Fantastic. The kit looks very impressive. As you can see, the fit's perfect. Look, compliments must go to the ClutchMax team. Really, this is looks like great quality and very precise fit. Look, I can't wait to test this out in the track and see what the performance is like.
The clutch is done, thanks to Valdemaris. It's in, it was very easy, it was bolt on. So now we're gonna put the engine in the car. We are putting oil in the engine for the first time in the last, what, 2 or 3 months? Okay, we are done for today's. Engine is in the car. It's hanging on engine mounts. Subscribe. Bye.